Welcome back. This is this movie is test model series about Teardown's record, and this is a model series inverter. And upper side is the control board and gate drive board and CPU and power source for gate drive and CPUs and the Flyback converter and the transformers and each gate drive IC and the buffer circuit and so on. This is a discharge in case of the abnormal board on the for example the crashed. The capacitor, smoothing capacitors discharged using this resistance made in Japan. Our company made this resistance. And the upper side, first layer is the control board and back side. And the second layer is isolation material and for the heating material. And remove each materials, we can check the power lines of the three-phase inverter. This terminal is the input side, and this terminal is the output side. The input side DC voltage, smoothing capacitors, three-phase inverter, and output line. Of course, in the output line, for the output line, the whole type current sensor is only using that only two one, U phase or double phase. Okay. Okay. Let's check the inverter power semiconductors and remove this terminal. As you can see, this structure is very beautiful. And remove this smoothing capacitor. This smoothing capacitor is very thin and small. Y-capacitor and main smoothing capacitor. Main smoothing capacitor. $550 and 68 microfarad each filter capacitors and smoothing capacitor made in Japan. Nichicon company. Okay. And this one with the terminal bus bar. We can check the U phase, V phase, double phase, 4 modules parallel connected SiC power semiconductor devices, ST micros. In each modules included in the 2 chip. For the cooling, this was a gasket. We can remove this one. For the cooling, this most FETs, the cooling is system is this one, inside, outside, and you can check this pin structure is the boat shaped. Effectively, cooling cooling water, it can flow through each pin, between each pins. And this one is the cap of this cooling. Inside, outside, and this one. And the interest point is this terminal. Terminals, this is many point for the vibration for automotives and stability, connecting stability, many connected point. Okay, this is the total system of the world first SiC power device application for the Tesla Model 3. That's all. Thank you very much.